guys, I have some really delicious, unique, and of course easy to make Instant Pot recipes for you today. The Instant Pot is a great kitchen tool because it makes cooking so much easier. You can walk away from it. You don't have to stand over the stove and stir and wait for it to boil and this and that. You can put all your ingredients in, walk away, and in 30, 15, even as little as 5 minutes, your food is done. Even if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can still make these recipes. In the link down below, you'll find both the Instant Pot version and the stovetop version of the recipes. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with our spaghetti squash Alfredo. Start by adding water to the Instant Pot and turning it on. Full instructions will be linked in the description box. Cut the squash in half and scoop out the seeds. Place the cut squash into the Instant Pot on top of the steam rack and pressure cook for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make the Alfredo sauce. Start by chopping 2 shallots and sauteing them in white wine, oil, or water. Thinly slice mushrooms and then add them to the pan with the shallots. Cook on medium-low until tender. Add 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder to 1 cup of soy milk and stir it well to break up any and all clumps. Pour that over the mushrooms, then add nooch and spices and stir while it thickens. Add salt and fresh lemon juice. Release the steam on your Instant Pot and remove the squash. When it's cool enough to handle, use a fork to pull out the spaghetti-like strands and drop them into the Alfredo sauce. Stir well. This is optional, but it's really pretty served inside of the squash skin. Top with red chili flakes, black pepper, and fresh parsley. Ooh, this is so delicious. It's so creamy. I just love spaghetti squash. It really does taste like Alfredo. It's amazing. So this recipe is certainly amazing. Now let's make the coconut black bean stew. As usual, start by dicing an onion. We're using half of one. Then mince the garlic and ginger. Dice half of a bell pepper. Turn the Instant Pot on to sauté and then add a little oil to the pot. Once warm, add the chopped veggies. I should have done this before the veggies, but let's add cumin and coriander seeds to toast for about 30 seconds and then stir everything up. Cube a sweet potato. Add soaked black beans and the potatoes to the pot, along with water. And veggie bouillon paste and pressure cook for 25 minutes. Once finished, do natural steam release for 10 minutes, and then quick release. Turn it back on to sauté and add coconut milk and lime juice, and continue to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. At the very end, stir in chopped spinach. Serve the stew over rice with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapeno, lime, and cayenne pepper. You gotta have your lime. Okay, I'm obsessed with beans, so I think this is gonna be my favorite, or one of the 3 favorites. They're all my favorite, let's be real. Perfect texture. So well cooked. I don't think I'm ever buying canned beans again now that I have an Instant Pot. They're just so good, and it's so easy, and they take like no time. One thing I love about the Instant Pot is that you can still make beans even if you've forgotten to soak them. Now, I do recommend soaking them overnight, at least 8 hours, but if you didn't do it, you can cook your beans in your Instant Pot. Still, just make sure to add 10 to 15 minutes onto the pressure cook time, and you have delicious, beautiful beans. Now let's make a delicious eggplant curry. This is my new favorite dish, and I don't usually love eggplant. Start by turning the Instant Pot on to saute. Chop up garlic and onions. Add oil to the pot and then add the spices to fry for 30 seconds. Then add the onions and garlic and salt. While it sautés, chop 1 eggplant. And when the onions are tender, add a can of diced tomatoes to the pot and stir well. Then add the eggplant and 1 cup of water. Pressure cook for 5 minutes and let it natural steam release for 3 to 5 minutes before quick release. Serve it over rice. Eggplant. I make curry a lot, but it's very rare for me to make an eggplant curry or to use eggplant at all. So this one's super exciting. It's so flavorful. Really good. This dish is amazing, and as you saw, I only had to pressure cook it for 5 minutes. So the beauty of a dish like this is you can put all your ingredients in it, turn it on, clean the house, do some emails, wash the dishes, whatever you need to do, and come back and you have a delicious hot meal. Like, that's the coolest thing ever. So I hope you guys give these recipes a try, and also let me know which one you're most excited to try, which one you think will be your favorite. I'm sort of new to the Instant Pot, so I'm exploring different recipes. So if you have any favorite Instant Pot recipes and meals to prepare, let me know. And again, if you don't already have an Instant Pot, you can still make these recipes. I'm sharing the recipes on my blog, link in the description box below. So check that out, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe to Sweet Potato Soul. Bye.